my name's Jitsu, and many of you know Irreechaa is coming. Here in Australia, we're celebrating it on October the 5th. Irreechaa, to put it simply, is the Oromo Thanksgiving. Irreechaa used to signify smooth seasonal change and still does, but that was as far as it went in the olden days. Now it signifies a lot more. A huge aspect of Irreechaa revolves around the religion Wakefana, but despite this, it is also a cultural celebration, so people of all religion are able to attend and participate. Back in Oromia, it's celebrated at Lake Arsadi in Bishoftu, as the lake is the place of cultural rebirth. During the ceremony, the attenders pray for peace, freedom, unity, and union. For those who celebrate it outside Oromia, it's a very nostalgic ceremony as they're recreating a tradition most are used to celebrating in Oromia. Despite all the hardship going on in Oromia, Irreechaa is a time of peace and serenity where all Oromo embrace their own culture. My favorite thing about this ceremony is the union and the unity within the people. Despite political and religious differences, despite personal conflict, during this ceremony we are one. It's a time where our differences don't really matter. In that moment, it doesn't matter if I disagree with someone because we're there for a common reason, and that is to celebrate a prosperous culture. And that's what keeps our community strong. Thank you.